Minute.
Okay. A very good afternoon to all, my dear friends. Welcome to today's session. So today our eminent speaker, Dr. P. Manjula, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Government Degree College for
RBVR.
RBVRR, RBVRR Women's College, Autonomous, Hyderabad. Madam is going to explain important environmental organizations of our biodiversity and conservation. So all of you listen carefully, and if you have any doubt, please ask our respected madam. Madam, please continue.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay. So today we will discuss about two other organizations. That is, first one is WWF and the next one is NBPGR. Okay. So first one, that is WWF, means anyone? Girls. No? No idea? Sir, am I visible, audible? Sir.
Worldwide Fund for Nature.
Okay. Okay, so first one is WWF, that is, it is one of the world's largest conservation organization. So WWF means that is Worldwide Fund for Nature. So it is an international non-governmental organization. Okay, so it is not a governmental organization, but it is a non-governmental but international organization which is founded in April 29th, 1961, and is working on the issues mainly. This WWF mainly working on the issues like conservation, research and restoration of the environment. Okay, so this is the logo of the WWF. So what is this logo? Any idea, girls? Anyone? So this is a
No.
panda. Okay, so this is the logo of the WWF, panda, giant panda. So it is the world's largest conservation, WWF, it is the largest conservation organization with 5 million supporters worldwide and working in more than 100 countries. So it is, even though it is a non-governmental, but here, 1 minute, girls.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Girls, now okay? No?
यस
Okay,
मैडम।
ma'am.
Now okay? Okay,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
the first president is Prince Bernhard of Lippe-Biesterfeld. Okay, so it employs around 6,200 full-time staff and also values the support of more than 5 million people. So it supports 5,000 people. So the organization has offices in more than 80 countries around the world, and mainly it stood for first World Wildlife Fund. So first it is named as a World Wildlife Fund, but present name is anyone? So this is the first it is named as a World Wildlife Fund, but later Worldwide Fund for Nature. So it is renamed as Wide Fund for Nature. Okay, World Wide Fund for Nature. So first name is World Wildlife. So first named as a World Wildlife Fund. But later, however, in 1986, WWF had come to realize that its name no longer reflected the scope of its activities. So he changed its name to Worldwide Fund for Nature. So the United States and Canada, however, retained the old name. So, but in United States and Canada, they named as a World Wildlife Fund only. But in other countries, so it is named as a Worldwide Fund for Nature. Okay, so in carrying out its work, WWF cooperates with many other partners, including UN organizations, IUCN, and also the development agencies like USAID, and World Bank. So USAID means anyone? Anyone have any idea on this? United States Agency for International Development. Okay, agencies such as United States Agency for International Development. It also in link with cooperates with these organizations also, World Bank. So WWF also works with the business and also the industry partners. The first project of WWF was in Russia. First it is begun in Russia in 1988, and in 1994 the Russian representation of WWF was opened. So mainly first so it is a non-governmental organization, so it starts the work with projects with Russia first. So the main programs of WWF in Russia are, first one is forest program. So mainly this WWF mainly focuses on the conservation. So here forest program, that is conservation of biological diversity of Russian forest on the basis of transition to sustainable forest management and also the conservation. So mainly concerned with the conservation of forest mainly. Okay, so next one is the marine program, that is sustainable use of marine resources and protection of the marine fauna and flora, that is uh, marine flora and plants and animals of the marine, that is oceans. So next one is the climate program, that is mitigation and adaptation to its effects, that is mainly the severe effects of the climate and also to solve this climatic environmental problems in Russia. So next one is a protection of natural areas, so to ensure long-term conservation of biological diversity. So these are the main areas. So first one is the forest program, that is conservation of forest. And next one is a marine program, that is the mainly focuses on the protection of the marine flora and fauna. So next one is a climatic programs, that is to what are the main climatic factors or climatic pollution, mainly concerned with the pollutions and also some effects of the environment and to solve these problems. So next one is the protection of natural areas, that is to ensure long-term conservation of biological diversity. So next one is the protection of rare species. So rare species like project to preserve species, so which are endangered or endemic, so they are going to extinct, that type of animals are to be here conserved, protecting these type of animals. So project to preserve the species standing of the verge of the extinction. So they are going to extinct. So they are no longer live. So that type of animals are protected here and conserving these animals. So the far eastern leopard. So one of this is far eastern leopard and Amur tiger and bison, snow leopard and Siberian white crane. So these are the some endangered species. So these are the main project to conserve these, mainly conserve and protect these animals. So next one is, so WWF also publishes the Living Planet Index in collaboration with Geological Society of London and along with the ecological footprint. So it also publishes the, so the articles like about the how they are protecting and conserving these animals and what are the endangered animals present here. So that type of articles they are included in this publishing papers along with the Geological Society of London. So along with ecological footprint calculation, so index is used to produce the bi-yearly living planet report. So what are the endangered plants are there? So yearly 2 times by yearly living planet report, giving an overview of the impact of human activities on the world. So due to human activities, uh, how the diversity and also the what are the causes of human activities, so how they are influencing the for the loss of biodiversity. So the type of articles they are also publishing. So next one is the organization also regularly publishes reports, fact sheets and also other documents and the issues related to its work. So in order to raise awareness and also the provide the information to policy and also the decision maker. So so if we know the problem, then only we can solve the problem. So what are the problems, what are the issues related to this conservation of nature, so how to solve this problem. So like this it also doing this job also. So next one is the mission of the WWF. So the mission is to stop the degradation of the planet's natural environment and to build up future in which human live in a harmony with nature. So by ensuring that use of renewable natural resources is sustainable. So here mainly the main mission is to stop the degradation of this um, degradation of planet's natural environment. So nowadays due to increasing population, what happens? So we all know that, so the environment will be polluting. So to stop this, mainly to stop this degradation of natural environment, to stop the degradation of the natural environment and to build a sustainable natural resources for the future generation, and also to promote the reduction of pollution and also the wasteful consumption. So this is the main mission of WWF. So it also focus the efforts at multiple levels, like starting with wildlife habitats, next local communities, and also expanding up through governments and also the global networks. So first it mainly focuses on the wildlife conservation. Next it is also habitats to such natural habitats to protect this natural habitats and also the local communities. So expanding through governments and also the global networks. So other projects of WWF are first one have invested. So WWF have invested nearly that is US dollars, that is 11.5 billion in more than 13,000 conservation projects in over 150 countries, and also runs about 1300 projects. Among the first project is to receive funding from the WWF was to study of the tiger population in Chitwan Sanctuary, Nepal. So first project is this one, Chitwan Sanctuary, Nepal, that is to conserve the tiger population. And next one is India was formed. So the WWF in collaboration with India was formed in 1969 with its headquarters in Bombay, while Kolkata, Madras and Delhi are the regional headquarters. So the main headquarter in India is Bombay, but these are the regional headquarters which are also located in Kolkata, Madras and Delhi. So WWF supports several conservation projects in India like Gir Ecological Research Project, Project Hangal and Project Tiger, and the Himalayan Musk Deer Project. So mainly here in Musk Deer Project, mainly to conserve the musk deers. Here in Tiger Project, mainly they're concerned with the conservation of tigers like that. So mainly, so these are the in association with in India projects. These are the, so it is in collaboration with about 100 countries. It is collaborated, but in India. So these are the main projects in India. Okay, so this is about the WWF. Girls, is it clear? First one? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, so first question. So the Central Secretariat of WWF International, it is located in where? First one is Gland, Switzerland, Paris, France, Geneva, New York, USA. Anyone tell me the answer? The Central Secretariat of WWF was located in? No one is concentrating. Huh? Correct. Gland, Switzerland. Okay. So next, Gland, Switzerland. So it is located in Gland, Switzerland. So second question. International President of WWF at present. Any idea? So no idea, I think, because that one is Carter Roberts. Okay. The present international president is Carter Roberts. So next one. WWF was founded in the year 1977.
1960.
19? One girl is 19? 19?
1961.
1961.
1961.
Okay, good. Okay, so this is about the WWF. So next one is last organization, that is NBPGR. Okay, so NBPGR means, so NBPGR, that is National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources. National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources. So this is mainly this bureau. So the establishment of the bureau coincide with the advent of the Green Revolution. So who is the father of Green Revolution in India? Green Revolution, father of Green Revolution.
MS Swaminathan.
Good, good. Okay, so the establishment of the bureau, it is mainly coincide with the advent of the Green Revolution and was in response to the realization of the perceived effects of the Green Revolution and the agrobio. So the main, so Green Revolution mainly very important. So based on these effects, so this NBPGR, it is established. Okay. So the further it was in accordance with the international developments in the form of establishment of International Board for Plant Genetic Resources, Rome in 1974. First it is named as International Board for Plant Genetic Resources. Okay, in 1974, but it named as International Plant Genetic Resources Institute. So next, so here it is also first it is named as indifferently, but last name that is National Bureau for Plant Genetic Resources. So renamed as last, finally named it as National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources. So on the recommendation of the high level committee constituted by the Government of India in 1970, so the division of plant introduction was upgraded to an independent institute, that is National Bureau of Plant Introduction, in 1976. So it is renamed many times. So which was renamed as last, finally it is named as National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources in January 1977. So first in 74 it is named as Plant Genetic Resources. Okay. So many times at final it is named as the National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources. So next, the main role of this NBPGR is important role, improvement of various crop plants. So it is mainly focused on the improvement and conservation of crop plants, and also the diversification and development of the agriculture in India through germplasm introduction from various institutes, organizations located in foreign countries, and also the germplasm collection from within the country and abroad, and conservation. So mainly it concerned with the conservation of crop plants. Okay. So the National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources has its headquarters at New Delhi. Okay, the Bureau draws guidelines from the Crop Science Division of ICAR, Institute Management Committee, Research Advisory Committee, and Institute Research Council and Germplasm Advisory Committee. So it mainly takes guidelines from these institutions. So it is the headquarters, it is located in New Delhi. So the bureau has 5 divisions, 3 units, and an experimental farm at its headquarters in New Delhi, and 10 regional stations located in different phytogeographical zones of the country. So here this bureau, so main headquarter, it is located in New Delhi. Along with this, here 5 divisions are there, 3 units, and also 1 experimental farm in New Delhi, and 10 regional stations which are located in different states, and also an all India coordinate research network project, and underutilized crops are located in bureau. So here it contains 5 divisions. Mainly it contains 5 divisions, 3 units, and also experimental farm, and also 10 regional stations. So what are the main regional stations? Means 10. First one is the Shimla. It is located in Shimla. It is established in 1960 at Pagli, and the main mission of this station is collection, evaluation, and characterization and maintenance of temperate crops. So first regional station. So second one is Jodhpur, that is Rajasthan, established in 65 in Kajri campus. So it mainly focuses on the exploration, evaluation, and seed increase for agri-horticultural crops of arid and semi-arid zones. Next one is the Thrissur, that is Kerala. It is established in 1977, mainly responsible for collection and evaluation of germplasm of southern peninsular region, with particular emphasis on the species and plantation. Mainly these all are mainly focuses with crop plants only. So next one is another one. It is located in Maharashtra, Akola, in 1977, responsible for exploring Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Goa. Okay. So next to Shillong, Meghalaya. Another one is, it is located in Meghalaya. It is established in 1978, mainly involved in collection and evaluation of agri-horticultural germplasm of northeastern region. Next one is Uttarakhand. So next regional station which is located in Uttarakhand. So in 1985, it is established in 1985. Mainly it is responsible for okay, 1 minute. Okay, so it is another one. It is established in 1985, and mainly, so these are the mainly here, this station mainly concerned with the exploration, characterization, and evaluation and multiplication of agri-horticultural crops of subtropical and subtemperate regions. So next one is Cuttack, another station, that is it is located in Cuttack, Orissa, established in 1985. And the main here also agri-horticultural crops of Eastern Peninsula region, mainly on the rice germplasm. So next one is 8th one, that is Hyderabad in Andhra Pradesh, that is now Telangana. So established in 1985 and engaged in speedy repatriation of the pest and pathogen-free material. Pest and pathogen-free plants, okay, of the crop plants mainly. So undertakes exploration, evaluation, and seed increase for agri-horticultural crops. So next one is Ranchi, Jharkhand. So it is established in 1988, and it is a center for evaluation and maintenance of germplasm of tropical fruits and other field crops of Bihar and eastern Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. So next 10th one, that is Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, and established. So this is the last one, that is 1988, and mainly responsible for the exploration, collection and maintenance of agri. So in all stations mainly it is concerned with the horticultural crops only. Okay. So this is about the 10 state regions. So apart from them, there is a National Research Center on DNA fingerprinting and an All India Coordinate Research Network project on underutilized crops are located in the bureau. So along with the center, so it is also DNA fingerprinting center and also plant exploration and germplasm collection division has the objective to plan, coordinate and conduct exploration for collecting germplasm, mainly to conserve the germplasm. And germplasm evaluation division is interested with the prime. So mainly it is located mainly for the prime responsible for characterization and evaluation of all the indigenous and exotic germplasm. So mainly here for the preservation and conservation of these germplasm. So next one is germplasm exchange unit has the responsible for introducing genetic resources of diverse crop plants and their wild relatives and distributing the same within the country. So there is a tissue culture and cryopreservation unit also there. So mainly with the main objective to conserve economic plants through in vitro and cryopreservation techniques. So any idea on cryopreservation, girls? Any idea on this cryopreservation?
Yes, ma'am.
Cryopreservation means that is preserving at low temperature.
Low temperature.
Okay. So next one is so Indian National Gene Bank. So it is mainly concerned with the conservation of these germplasm only. Okay. So germplasm means that is mainly a genetic material. So in the form of seeds or other material, explant like that. Okay. So the gene bank presently has 18 storage modules with total capacity of about the million accessions. So these so generally these are called as the accessions material. Like seeds or any other thing. So generally these are called as the accession, living material. It is called as the accession. So currently it holds total 3,77,000 accessions of different agri-horticultural crops. So mainly here we are also known as these seeds. They are also named as accession, that is living material. Generally they are called as the accession. So it also has large cryopreservation bank with holding capacity of 250,000 samples. So it has a capacity to preserve 250,000 samples of small seed crops. So several new initiatives have been taken up during the 2006 to till now. The significant one is initiation of National Genomic Resource Center. So implementation of new projects under NAIP supports. So information management and dissemination and biodiversity conservation and sustainable community development and molecular biosystematics, etc. So with NBPGR as the head organization. So this is about the NBPGR. So girls, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are also very important for the conservation main organization. So first one, so that is WWF. It is even though it is a non-governmental organization, but it is linked with all countries. So it is mainly conserving the environment. Okay, girls. So this I will stop here today's class. So any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
only
ma'am.
12, only 10 members are there in your class. That's it.
No, madam. 40 members.
But only 10 members are joined. Okay, girls. So I will stop here. Thank you. Thank you, girls. So you can leave.
Thank you, madam.
Sir, Sir, are you there?
Madam.
Okay.